Okay, guys. Oh, I know I only posted a game clip on my channel recently, but I thought, you know what? We just got a new vacuum cleaner, so I'm gonna make my first vacuum video. So, Stella, if you stay calm, I'd appreciate it. Thank you, baby. Here we go. Okay. Can I even use my left hand? I've used it before. Maybe I can lift it up. God dang, how long did they make this cord? Maybe I should start from back here. And then go from there. Oh! Oops. We're gonna thought this because our other one gave up. And I will show you the other one we have. We put it in the box this one came in, because the box that the other one came in is gone. Move that sock out of the way. Buddy sock. Get the fuck out of my way. Well, pardon the language. I'm having issues today. You know, I had to clean my room up a few weeks ago. I had to make my bed up. I'm gonna try to use my left hand to hold the handle. Okay. You guys ready? It's a swivel too, so. Okay. I'm sorry if I'm vacuuming too slow. I'm right-handed, so I'm technically holding my phone with my dominant hand. So I have to stop every few seconds to move the cord out of the way so I can get the other side. Right here against the bed. Okay. Stella? It's okay, baby. It's not gonna hurt you. I'm just getting the rest of the dust out of my carpet, my rug, whatever you want to call it. I can tag one of the people I'm subscribed to that do vacuum videos and stuff. I can now show them my new vacuum. See if they've had it before or tried it. They think there's nothing on my carpet. Okay. Okay. Now, let's see how much it picked up. Because I'm allergic to dust. Yeah. Picked up that little turd dog hair. Here we go. You gotta go around the chair. Oh shit, almost fell. Almost fell there. Okay. Yeah. So I'm not gonna do a front camera video, you know, where it's showing my face. Hold on a minute. And because, you know, I've gained more weight since y'all last saw my video, or the other video, you know, about people judging me and whatnot. So, I'm talking to somebody on Xbox, right? So we're playing Fortnite together, and then he gets pissed off because he thought I'll let him die. Well, told him we should stay together so he wouldn't die. So anyways, okay, we're gonna do the hose now. Okay, y'all can still hear me. So I'll put the other attachment on there. So okay, anyways, so he leaves, calls me fatty. He says, JK, I already have feelings for somebody else. And then I'm like, I said, what the fuck, like, WTF? He's like, stay away from me, fatty, and lose some weight. I'm like, and you're the one who rage quit after I told you to stay together so we wouldn't die together. Or you wouldn't die. Whatever you call it. Anyways, I didn't need him, so shit, I gotta put the other attachment on. Okay. Here we go. Okay. Who's ready? He's turning around. Oh well. Listen to that. Woo! Okay. This gonna be a longer, probably, well, not a longer video, but just something to tell you what I've been up to. I cannot believe I just said that in my Kentucky accent. So, a little thing you need to know about me. I knew I should have done this a long time ago. I started doing a YouTube channel. You know, I suck at doing good videos. Hold on, I'm trying to put the attachment back on the back of it. There we go. Okay. Okay. So, I'm gonna unplug this. Look how long that cord is. Okay. As soon as I unplug it, my thing shortened out again. Holy shit. Okay. I'm gonna put my phone down again. But I will still keep speaking. Oh god, it's hot. I'll take a water. Put the cord back on here because the hose is in the way. I wish this was a rewind. You know, press the button on the side and it retracts. But who cares? We need a pet vacuum. Something that cleans stuff up and dog hair and whatnot. Because, well, I'll show you what my dogs look like. Instead of just, besides the Basset Hound I have. Okay. Wish I had like one of those little kickstand things, you know, for a phone. And that way you can stand it up on that shelf over there. Don't swivel while I'm putting the cord back up. God dang. Okay. 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 So we have nowhere to put it, so I'm going to move my basket back over here. Then the chair right there. And then I'm going to move it out of the way because I have to lift it. So, okay. How to do, folks? Okay. Okay. Ooh. Sorry for the messy bed. I have to. So, those shoes are not mine. That crap's right there is not mine. It's my cousin's. Okay. Pardon pausing it. These are my dogs. That's Sandy Star at the top. She's a 4-pound Chihuahua. She was born in April 2018. That's Zoe. June of 2019. Zoe's short for Zoe Cephas. He's a Great Dane mixed, and she's an Applehead Chihuahua. Okay. Okay. And last but not least, Stella. This is my baby, even though she likes to whine. Hold on. She's still a puppy, she's still a basset hound. She's got some big paws. Okay, so, yeah. That's it, everybody. Bye.